Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on? Good morning to you. This is the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll just find an excuse. So, just how bad do you want it then? Do you really want this dream of yours to come true? Or is it just another, sort of thing for show? You'll find a way if you really do want it, no matter what. Or you'll just go out there and find yet another excuse to put it off, another reason that doesn't give you the perfect opportunity to just make it happen. So, what's it to be today? Will you make it happen? Or are you just going to find another excuse?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.